This is Natarajan. Welcome to the SolidWorks tutorial. Kindly subscribe my channel, share and press the bell icon, and get regular updates in the SolidWorks tutorials. Today I will explain how to draw this, how to convert 2D into 3D. Okay. Now I will show the whole object. Okay, this is the object which I had drawn in the SolidWorks. Then SolidWorks okay. I will explain the step-by-step procedure how to draw these drawings into SolidWorks. Okay, first I line move forward. Okay, now I will explain the step-by-step procedure. Okay, so go for edit sketch. Edit sketch. This is the profile which I have drawn in this SolidWorks. In the profile SolidWorks. Okay. Here first I have drawn this diameter of 225. For the center point I have drawn a diameter of 225. Now offset distance from here, the point is 66. From here I have drawn a circle of radius 84. Okay, later I trim this circle. Okay, in the bigger circle and the smaller circle I have using trim command I trim this. Okay. Now I have drawn the another diameter of see here another diameter of 189. Okay, this one 189. Now from here the distance is go for smart dimensions. Okay, select this horizontal line to select this center point. Distance is 105. Okay, give OK. Here okay, again I offset 105 distance horizontal line. From the center point I drawn a circle of diameter 30, and again I drawn a circle of diameter 90. Okay, so again I drawn a line, tangent line. Okay, now tangent line use here. From tangent to this line I have drawn this line. Later I trim this circle. The circle on the line is trim. Okay, using trim command I trim this circle, and also this bigger circle also are trimmed. Okay, only the remaining portion I have shown in this sketch. The same sketch you can draw in the right hand side. Right hand side I go for the mirror options. Mirror entities. I select this arc and this line. Select this center point and mirror on the right hand side. Okay, the mirror on the right hand side on the side on the row. Then the extra circle and line you can trim. Trim icon I show this. This is called as trim entities. Extra line and length you can trim this circle. Okay, so only inner part is finished. Okay, only the outer part is remaining. Outer part we have to draw a diameter of 126. Okay, very circle again you can draw a tangent from this line to the diameter of 225. Okay, the diameter of 225 draw a tangent line, and later you can mirror it on right hand side and trim this smaller circle and the bigger circle. Okay, now I will show an example. Okay, here draw a 225. Okay, give OK. Now go for dimensions. Here it is 225. Okay, now here again circle here from the center point. Here go for dimensions. It is 126. Okay, okay. And what I have done is draw a line in the tangent to circle to draw a tangent to the circle line. Then go using trim command, trim this. Okay, ஏற்கனவே sketch வரைஞ்சனால அது எரர் காட்டுது. Okay, so this is how we have to use trim command line. Okay, you can cut the remaining with this line. Okay, so this is how you have to trim this line and the arc. Okay, I will do the undo command. Okay, now complete the sketch and come out of the sketch. Okay, using boss extrude, the thickness is 42 mm. I extrude the thickness of 42 mm. Okay, this one be okay. Then cut extrude again. This go for edit sketch. The inner portion is extruded. Okay, the inner portion is extruded to a depth of here to a depth of 18 mm. Okay, inner portion வந்து நான் 18 mm க்கு extrude பண்ணிட்டேன். Okay, give okay. This is the second step. Third step is create a plane here. In the bottom side I have create a plane, that is plane 1. In that plane 1 I create a simple sketch. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு sketch ஒன்று create பண்ணேன் bottom side. Okay, இந்த extra length line you can trim it off. Here the diameter is 120. In the point you can draw a circle of diameter 120. Later using trim command you can trim this remaining circle. Again you can draw a vertical line. Okay, இந்த arc எப்படி வரைஞ்சேன்னா is select this line, convert entities னு ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு, convert entities. Okay, so extra line you can remove. Convert entities போய் இந்த arc போக மீதி பேலன்ஸ் you can remove பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, that is advantage of using convert entities. Okay, if you select பண்ணிட்டு go for convert entities. Okay, then automatically the circle will be created. Then come out of the sketch, go for boss extrude feature. So thickness is 48 mm, extrude. Okay, give okay. Then I'll go for the cut extrude. Okay, in the cut extrude I have drawn a sketch, edit sketch. In the diameter is 90, simple sketch, a circle of diameter 90, then extruded. Okay, the extruded features பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எவ்வளோ இருக்க depth is 48 mm. Okay, give okay. And second then create a diameter. Okay, whole diameter, edit feature, sketch, edit feature. In the side, okay, in the top side I selected this because it is M16 holes. I have selected this 14.75 diameter, depth is 20 mm depth. Selected this position இங்க இருக்கு. Okay, whatever position you want you can keep it. Okay, give okay. Here give cut extrude. Here I have selected this face, the front face. Go for edit sketch. So diameter is 60. I have drawn a circle of in the face select பண்ணு. இந்த face select பண்ணிட்டு go for normal. இங்க normal னு ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கும். Okay, select the center point, the center point of this circle. இங்க select பண்ணி draw a diameter of 60. Then come out of the sketch. Then go for edit feature. Okay, இது depth கேட்கும் இது. Okay, so நான் through all கொடுத்துருக்கிறேன். View okay. Okay, then I go for cut extrude here. இதுக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா go for edit sketchல this diameter is 18 diameter. Okay, come out of the sketch, then go for edit feature. It is through hull only. Okay, give okay, then again cut extrude, edit sketch. Here diameter is 50. In the face select பண்ணிட்டு you can go for normal to option இருக்கு. Then draw in the center point வச்சு draw a circle of diameter 50. Okay, come out of the sketch, then go for edit feature. Here given depth of 20 mm depth. Okay, இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும் இந்த it is arrow mark downல வச்சுனா மெட்டீரியல் ரிமூவ் ஆயிடும். Arrow mark press arrow mark up, it create a boss. Okay, so go for blind சொன்னாவே you have to give the depth here. Through all சொன்னா there is no need for giving total distance. Okay, give okay, then finally you have to create a diameter hole 14.75 at the specific locations. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and we will create a diameter. இந்த simple இது காப்பி பண்ணி இந்த இடத்துல பேஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா you can create a holes here. Okay, so this is why I have done in 3D modeling in the SolidWorks. Okay, thank you for watching SolidWorks tutorial. Any dimension clarity you can refer this AutoCAD drawings. Okay, the same drawings I have given the 2D sketch on the and also the sectional side view in the AutoCAD drawings. Okay, kindly refer the AutoCAD drawings for further clarifications. Okay.